Okay, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is April 14, 2026. So, I encourage you to watch the live hearing of the Committee on Justice regarding the impeachment of BP Sara. So, yung mga gustong makanood at malaman ninyo kung how this proceeding goes on, paano tumatakbo ang hearing, para may alam tayo, hindi tayo basta lang sakay-sakay sa kung ano mga sinasabi. I encourage you na ngayon manood kayo, ongoing ang trial, not trial, ongoing ang hearing. Kung saan ito ngayon pinakita ko sa inyo ay live ito na si Madriaga, Ramil Madriaga ay tinatanong ng mga Justice Committee members. Okay? So, para may alam tayo, I encourage you, please watch para hindi tayo nanguhula o hindi tayo sakay ng sakay sa anumang pinapalabas sa ibang mga tao na hindi factual. Okay?
DJMP. Maybe he should just sit, excuse me, in between PSA and Attorney Camora.
Maaari ho ba namin kumpirmahin sa inyo?
Please bear with
Ang
us,
inyong pagkapagpadala.
Mr. Madriaga, in between PSA and
original
Attorney Camora.
Honorable De Lima.
So he will be seated along with the other resource persons. Let us leave the chair for the Vice President vacant because we are extending the opportunity to participate to her so long as we continue this proceeding. In between PSA and COA.